In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the LastPass Sharing Center. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your vault to review what you've shared, what's been shared with you, and how to keep everything organized and secure as your team or family grows. First, open your browser and go to your LastPass vault. If you see a sign-in screen, just authenticate as you normally do. Once you're in the vault, you're looking for the navigation along the left side. That's where the Sharing Center lives. Click Sharing Center and think of this area as your command hub for collaboration. Instead of hunting through folders or individual items, the Sharing Center centralizes everything related to shared access so you can review it at a glance. Inside the Sharing Center, select Manage Shared Folders. Shared folders are ideal when multiple people need access to the same set of logins or notes, like a marketing set of social accounts or a family bill pay folder. This view is designed to help you understand which shared folders exist in your vault and who has access to them. As you look through the list, pay attention to folder names and access levels. Clear naming conventions make it easier to keep things tidy, and consistent permissions reduce mistakes. If your organization uses groups, this is a great place to confirm that the right people are seeing only what they need. Next, choose Shared with Others. This section shows the individual items and folders that you have shared out. It's especially useful for periodic audits. Scan through the entries to confirm that everyone on the list still requires access and that the level of access matches their role, such as view only versus can edit. If you spot something that's no longer needed, this is your cue to plan a cleanup. Keeping this list lean improves security and reduces confusion for recipients. Then move to Shared with Me. This view lists items and folders that other people have shared with you. It's the fastest way to find credentials your teammates or family members have provided all in one place. Use this area to verify you can access what you need before an important task and to get familiar with how those items are organized. If something looks unfamiliar, consider checking the item details and confirming it aligns with your responsibilities. That's the Sharing Center in a nutshell. Your centralized space to manage shared folders, review what you've shared, and track what others have shared with you. Make a habit of visiting these views regularly, keep access minimal and purposeful, and your LastPass environment will stay orderly, efficient, and secure.